That's close enough. 86 is at 5.68. Now, when we go back, we'll do a peak center, and you can see we're better off than we were before. And we can check what the half mass is, because that's what's important. Input mass 87.5, and this should be 84.5. That's good.
So could you wait? So I mean, I see the mass, but how do you know which cup?
I told it to put it in cup 3. So I said input channel 3, input mass 88.
Okay.
So when we're doing the reference calibration, everything is done off of cup 3 for this line. When we're doing neodymium, the reference cup is 6, so we calibrate everything in cup 6. So it has to know, since this is our reference cup, where to set the magnet so that mass 88, 87, 86, 85, 84 are in cup 3.
But you could do that manually. You could.
No, you have to tell the computer you're in cup 3.
Okay. But then, so what are the 4? So you got 4 magnets.
This is the magnet is controlled now on this line right here. The magnet is controlled by the computer, and the high voltage is controlled by this.
Yeah.
And it's set to 10 kilovolts. With this button, the magnet is controlled here. So that's basically manual mode. Now I can control the magnet here, and the high voltage is controlled here. In this case, the magnet by the computer, the high voltage. Here, the magnet, the computer, and high voltage is controlled, and the magnet is controlled by the computer.
Okay.
So it's just different settings. Most typically, we're working in these 2 modes: computer mode and manual mode. We seldom control the high voltage other than with the computer.
You did at one point, though, right?
We did yesterday to turn the high voltage up slowly to make sure we didn't get a high voltage spike.
Okay. But just now you didn't have.
Oh,
you
no.
had that third one
No.
from the left on.
No. When we do this, I can control the high voltage manually. And it just so happens we were about halfway because we were at 5 kilovolts.
Okay.
So these pots are just controlling 2 different feedback loops. All right?
All right.